What have I done? Did I honestly just walk away from Nigel? He said he was going to call off his wedding. And I what? Leave the planet? There is something seriously wrong with me.
Not this again.
Why?
You can sit around here and cry if you want to. I'm gonna go explore the universe.
Callie? Did she just walk off and leave me? Maybe she's right. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. I'm in space. So let me grab my bathing suit from Fancy Doll Design and go swimming in a galactic ocean where I don't have to think about you know who. Nigel, all of the paperwork has been filed. We are officially business partners.
I am a silent partner.
Right. Shake on it.
Seriously, Caroline, this will only work if nobody knows.
Oh, of course, Nigel. I absolutely respect your privacy, but why is that again?
I am keeping this from my mother so I can be independent of her and the family business.
So you and Summer can finally be together. And we can get rid of Octavia.
Oh, come on now. Octavia is not that bad.
She reminds me of Alex, only she tries to hide it.
She is good for the business. She's got a lot of great ideas. She is just not the person I want to marry. My family cares very little about love, and I do not understand it. It is the most wonderful thing.
Nigel, you're gonna make me cry, and that's not good for business. Speaking of business, Donnie, get back to work.
I gotta go, my little chipmunk.
Okay, I understand, my little werewolf puppy. I'll be counting the minutes until you're off work.
My break is in an hour. Promise, you won't forget me.
Donnie, my love, I could never. I only have eyes for you. Damon.
Hey, Caroline. I finished my last delivery for the day. Nigel? Damon?
Hello, Damon.
Hey, Jazz. What's up?
I'm in a relationship now. Looks like you missed your chance. I know, it's difficult. Feel like your heart is breaking. Shh. Not another word. You will get over this. One day. Okay, people. I'm off. Ooh, Jazz, are you going swimming? No. Why? Because you're wearing a bathing suit. Yes, because I make sure all my clothes get the same amount of attention. I don't want them to think I'm playing favorites. Okay. Bye-bye, people.
I don't know what all that was about, but Nigel, I'm glad to see you. Really? Yeah, we've been friends for a long time. You're right. It's been kind of weird. When Summer and I get back together, we should go on a double date with you and Octavia.
Oh, boy.
Excuse me, I have to go. Was it something I said?
How is everyone around here delusional? Are you kidding me? It's a frozen ice planet? Where's the beach? My galactic ocean? Summer, baby, what you doing out here with no clothes on? Sakarians already think Earthlings are crazy. Please don't give them another reason to invade. Wait, what? Nothing. Grandma, I thought you said Sakar was warmer than Earth. It is, in the summer, and as you can see, it's the winter. Aw, man.
Does Summer's heart belong to Damon? Is that the real reason she said no when I declared my love for her and literally left the planet? But it does not matter. I am going to continue to fight for her. I cannot marry Octavia.
Nigel, I thought that was you.
Octavia?
I'm trying on my wedding dress. You like?
It's Oscar de la Renta. I know they say it's bad luck to see the bride in her dress before the wedding, but I don't believe in such things. Octavia, I must call off the wedding.
I'm sorry, what?
I cannot go through with this loveless marriage when I am in love with Summer.
Nigel, we have been over this. This wedding is the best thing for both our companies. We do not have the luxury of being sentimental.
I am sorry to disappoint you, Octavia, but I cannot.
Oh yeah? We will see about that.
Drastic times call for drastic measures. Mrs. Knight, over here. Octavia, what is it now?
Mrs. Knight, we have a common goal. This wedding/merger.
Yes, and
Nigel is proving to be, well, resistant.
he has always been my more challenging child.
I think it's time you and I work together. May I introduce to you
Agent Sherry.
Hello again, Mrs. Knight.
Oh, you two already know each other. Yes, and as I recall, the agent owes me a favor.
Yes, ma'am. And the information I have will make us even.
Octavia, I am pleasantly surprised. You have a spine after all.
Are you serious? I only brought summer clothes. What am I supposed to do now? This is my dream come true. I'm in outer space. But Sakarians look just like humans. Where's the sci-fi? Where's the little green men? I'm green. You don't count. Ah! Where did you come from? What are you doing in my room?
Sorry, ma'am. Your voice activated Psy. I am Psy,
Psy? What's that?
the ship's computer interface.
Oh, cool. So you're like AI.
That is a correct assumption.
But why are you dressed like that and not in some super cool sci-fi getup?
Your grandmother has a flair for the theatrics.
Okay then. Well, I'm kind of bored. What is there to do on this spaceship?
Please specify an activity.
I don't know. Like television. You got NetFrog or the Real Housewives of the Miniverse?
We have parallel vision.
Parallel vision? What's that?
It is the ultimate reality TV experience. You can view yourself and other dimensions on this display.
You mean this glass? I thought it was for the shower.
It is for both.
Alright, Sai. How does this thing work?
Just call out a number and it will show you the corresponding parallel dimension.
Okay then. 3. That's Sophie. I know this version of me.
The higher the number, the farther it is from your reality.
Thanks, Sai. You can go now.
Very well, ma'am.
Alright, time to get my intergalactic TV on. Let's see what Sophie's up to and try to get my mind off of Nigel. Why do I let Chloe sign me up for these summer programs every year? Doing another play that nobody's gonna watch.
Well, at least this year we will be together, no?
Naveen,
Sophie!
I guess it's not so bad. Look, I'm getting the part of the princess. Make sure you play the prince.
Yes! Hashtag power couple!
Ah, seriously? Please show me a universe where my life doesn't revolve around Nigel. Let's try 27. Whoa, what happened to my head in that dimension? Come on, Nigel, I'm sure it's not that bad.
Not that bad? Do you see my hair? It's pink!
And what is wrong with pink?
My signature color is blue!
I love the color pink, Nigel. Now you match my shirt.
I want to match my shirt!
Oh, so you don't like it. I'm never gonna be a celebrity hairstylist. Now I'll never get into Pantone High.
Don't be sad, Summer. We can always go to Grayscale High together.
Are you kidding me? Even in this big head dimension, we're still together? Come on, show me a dimension where I'm doing something else. Show me dimension 88. Hey, Naveen, wait up. No, 150. Hey, Callie.
Summer, my party's tonight, and you better not mess it up.
Why would you say that? When have I ever messed up a party?
How about my engagement party to Nigel?
Oh yeah, right. But he was all wrong for you. Trust me. Okay, I've had enough reality TV for the day. I get it, Miniverse. We belong together. Great. Now Callie can say I told you so. She'll love that. Sai, where are you?
You called, ma'am?
Tell Grandma we need to go back to Earth. Now. I'm going after my happily ever after.
Now that's laughable. This is obviously an imitation. I cannot wait to get back to a real city. Mother, this is nice. It is like family day at the museum. I have so many memories as a child. I'm sure today will be quite memorable as well. You see, Nigel, you have shown me that you cannot be persuaded with money to marry Octavia. So I had to take a different approach and go after what you truly love. Summer. Mother, what have you done? It's not what I've done. It's what I will do. With this. What is this? Take a look. I'm sure it is information you've already known. Mother, you cannot do this. It would appear your sweet Summer has quite a secret. Fall in line, Nigel. Conform. Marry Octavia. Or what? You will expose Summer? Very good, Nigel. Unless you want Summer to end up in a petri dish, make the smart choice. To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali. Listen up, everyone. I just painted this scene, so don't touch it, okay? The paint is still wet.
Summer, quick, take a picture of me. This is gonna be my holiday card. Hey, I just said don't touch the set.
Uh-oh, I'm out of here.
Jazz, I'm innocent. You have no proof. Gaston, in this scene, you are the personification of the ship. Like, if the computer was a person, that would be you.
Understood.
Okay, action. Where's the sci-fi?
Madam, never fear. I, Gaston, is here.
Cut. Yeah, Gaston, I was actually looking for something a little more robotic.
Madam, I am a Shakespearean actor. I can play Macbeth, Hamlet, Romeo.
Yeah, I was looking for more of a data type or Spock.
Donnie, this is the most romantic date. A stroll in the park.
Anything for my chipmunk.
What are y'all doing? We're about to shoot a scene.
We're on a date, taking a romantic stroll in the park.
This isn't a real park. It's a backdrop. Now clear the set. And action. What are you doing?
Just reading over the script. It's all doom and gloom for Summer and Nigel.
Yeah, well, it is a drama.
Are we still on for dinner?
Shh. I don't want anyone to know we're dating. Callie's walking this way. Quick, get out of here.
Ah!
Was that Nigel?
Nope.